Yeah. Yeah. It seemed like just yesterday we was on our feet and happy, but what happened is nothing close to what we imagined. I lost too many already, last year the scene was tragic. I came from nothing, it's nothing, niggas seen it happen. I'm here now, almost a year now, I'm still in there now. Tomorrow still ain't promised, live in the moment, I'm here now. It's clear now that I just wanted all that come with patience. That's why I'm out here grinding, losing sleep like I misplaced it. Most niggas who don't make it from the bottom like the basement. Some niggas just ain't fast enough on money, gotta chase it. That's probably why most of your niggas ain't got no cases. When it comes to this bro shit, me and mine ain't got no patience. I got haters, wrap around the building, get to the back of the line. If you was getting it yourself, maybe you wouldn't be looking at mine. That's why I told that thing, some of you niggas looking at dime. No, we ain't watching the clock, but some of my niggas looking at time. I remember when they ain't had nobody but the mirror. Mama, look at your son, just look at what I become. Them pussy niggas hating, but they don't know where I'm from. That's why my gun ain't got no safety, like I'm trying to stop the run. I swear to God I do this, you don't believe me, I prove it. Put it in my hands, I move it. When you see the paper tag, know you it. It's money over bitches, sometimes I think she jealous. Only time I see your bitches when it's late night. Jimmy Fallon, these niggas telling read the alphabet, stay in your lane. I don't need the traffic, I don't give a fuck if I got 20/20. I still ain't see what happened. Pat told me I never seen my daddy, he walked out when she was pregnant. Now I can't wait for you to come on just to see your family. Yeah, long as we living like that, we alright. I'm good, I heard his shit and I said he alright. I told her call me when she wanna fuck and she called twice. I missed the first one, getting money, we gon' be all night. Yeah, long as we living like that, we alright. I'm good, I heard his shit and I said he alright. I told her call me when she wanna fuck and she called twice. I missed the first one, getting money, we gon' be all night. It's okay, that's how you live and learn. She say I always go too far, it's like I missed the turn. And I'm just doing me, sometimes I wish she would do her. She wear her heart on her sleeve more times than she do her purse. And I'm just being honest, I know you think you should come first. That's when the arguments always somehow just seem to get worse. I told her looks kill, I'ma end up on the shirt. But when you look that good, sometimes that's how you end up hurt. That's how she end up settling, cause she don't know if she work. I guess she just waiting around to wait and see if it work. Yeah, I see them hills, I don't give a fuck how you feel. It's money over bitches, and if you talk I'm all ears. And if you look at her, you'll see she all tears. So much time wasted, she mopping up all years. I've been paper chasing, it's safe to say that I made it. But before I made it, just know that I prayed it. I be looking like the latest, you be looking like the fake. I don't know why I buy her this shit that well when I know she just gon' get naked. I swear that girl is so crazy, I swear that girl is so crazy. But when that girl on top of me, I swear that girl so amazing.